First, know all parts of mold. Now we install the lower forming mold. Using the 4 guide pillars as a reference, center a line. Do not touch the yellow heating plate. There is a card slot under the 260 model for reference. Then put the copper sleeve on first. Next, put the upper mold on it. Click jog to close to mold plates. Adjust it to the highest point. Check the closure of the upper and lower molds. At the highest point, we need to adjust the pressure. Check, it's not closed now. There's a gap, so screw the screw down a little bit. You can see that the upper mold has dropped a little bit. Look, there is a gap here. Now they are in a closed state because there's no force on the plate up there. Then the 2 molds will close together. Same operation with for screws. So just to sum up, jog gets the mold at its highest point. Let the 2 molds close together. You can also check the encoder angle value. Between 150 and 200 are all a range of values for the highest point. We just screwed the screw down, mold center aligned and closed. And then lock it. Reminder again, check mold center alignment and closure. Then jog to open the mold. And jog again so that the mold reaches the highest point. The encoder angle value 150 to 00 is the highest point range. There is a gap here, so the screw has to be screwed up. Just level with the board above. Then the pressure of the 2 molds will be just right. 4 screws are the same. Open the mold again, and then lock the 4 big screws above. There are 2 points for mold installation. One is to align the mold. One is to adjust the pressure. Then connect the air pipe. The big one is below. The airless one is on top. The air-filled one should be connected to the middle. Only the mold with secondary forming tech has this. The forming mold is well installed. Jog to check. No abnormal noise, no jam. That's it. Next is the heat seal mold. Spot seal with reticulated dots. Ring seal with special ring. Open the heat seal station and put it in. Also center aligned. Jogging the mold down a little more, it is better to do it in a large space. There is a lift button on the screen. Let's get the connector plate on it down. It seems there's not enough space. Lift to open up a bit. Due to the heavy mold, large machines have card slot designs. Center align, then fix. Pressure adjustment now. Loosen the big top screw. Due to the different shades and sizes of each set of molds, so each set of molds has its installation angle pressure. That's why changing the mold requires pressure adjustment. Click lift to lower the mold. Jog to the highest point of the mold. Check it. Now it's not closed. There's a gap, so the pressure must be adjusted. Look, there is a gap inside now. It will fail to seal, so let's lower the middle screw a little bit first. The weight of this panel comes down. Let the bottom two molds close. And then jog to the highest point of the mold. Then adjust it up again. It's level with the top plate. Finally, lock the top screw. Now it's time for cutter. Better to ask a colleague for help. There's a notch here. This way, in the direction of the heat seal. And this side is flat. It is the direction of discharge of the finished product. Also center aligned. Don't forget our cover plate. Use these two screws to slightly tighten it. Don't lock it. Fix it slightly first, not completely lock it. Then jog to open. The new cutter may not move due to no lubricating oil. Hit down with the help of a tool. To the lowest point. Fix the screws on the four sides again. The small machine is 2 screws. Lock tightly. Be sure to check the locking of the screws below. For the screws above, put the gasket first. Then the big screw cap goes directly in. Just lock it directly. Don't forget that there are still 2 screws that are not locked. Jog closing the mold. Lock the last 2 screws tightly. All stations have been completed. Next is the installation of packaging materials.